Let it go.
Oh, wow.
You may take this and your seatbelt securely fastened.
We didn't land
We
yet.
will be coming around to assist you.
Excited. Excited si Kuya Ellis. 11 minutes. 11 minutes. 11 minutes pa. Sino lang?
Yeah.
Cabin crew, remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
We're landing. Touchdown. 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 Yeah, it's raining. But we're here, baby. We're here.
Now we're going to Philippines.
We're here. We're here in
Now
the
we're going to Philippines.
We're here. We're here.
Now we're gonna go to Philippines.
We're here.
Hey! Stop. Here. At the airport.
And await
Philippines.
instructions for degrees.
That's Philippines.
Passenger
Yeah.
Philippines. Philippines.
Where we at now?
Philippines, Manila.
Saan na tayo?
Philippines.
Saan na tayo?
Let it go.
Oh, wow. Where we at now?
Philippines.
Yeah, hey, Ninoy.
They're so humid.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, Olivia, Ethan.
Such a Philippines, Bob.
Let's go. Kuya Ethan, first time in the Philippines. And Olivia. It's your first time too? Yeah, where are you coming from?
I got 25%.
Texas. What brought you here?
We're coming to share the gospel.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
So, are you guys like Jehovah's Witnesses?
No.
Okay.
We're a Christian group.
Gotcha, gotcha. Oh, Texas. I've never been there. Ah, awesome. Have fun.
Thank you.
No problem.
Enjoy.
In the Philippines. First timer, oh. Guys, ang dami naming baggage, oh. Grabe. Grabe, ang dami. Ilang pamilya kasi yan, kuya, eh. Tapos nang i-claim lahat. And then, yung ride namin nasa labas na. So, let's go! It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Ang dami, ang dami. Ang dami. Oh, Bobby! Si Bobby nandito! Si Bobby! Si nanay, oh. Say hi to nanay. What can you say, Ethan? We're in the Philippines now. It's hot? It's hot, eh?
How was it so far?
It's hot.
I miss you so much.
Si Mami, nauna sa atin si Mami, eh. Back in the Philippines, baby! We're here now. After 5 years, we're back home, baby! Ang init, sobra. Ang dami na yung kasama. Ang dami pala. Holy shit, ang dami din pala nagsundo sa kanila. Ang init mo, kuya. You feeling okay? In the car now, going to Taytay Rizal. Oh my God.
Kala ko, kasama ako doon, Marlon.
Ang init dito, guys. Init. Thank you, kuya. Salamat sa abala, ha. Thank you po, thank you.
Ay, Nak! Pwede mo kasi nagbuto na siya. Papasok sa house na.
20. 10, 15.
300!
Thank you, kuya. Keep the change na.
Salamat po, salamat ha. Salamat.
Yeah.
Refill pa, kuya! Refill!
Gusto mo pa, babe?
Nakain kayo. Nakantag lang ako.